In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade hot honey using habanero and jalapeno peppers. The first step is to roughly chop your fresh peppers. I'm going to do two versions of this hot honey, one with habaneros and one with jalapenos. The Scoville scale has Carolina Reaper as one of the hottest peppers with a Scoville heat unit of 1.5 to 3 million. We're using habaneros that have an SHU of 100 to 350,000. In comparison, jalapenos have 2.5 to 10,000 Scoville heat units. I'm also going to add some dried Mexican chilies. These were fairly large, so I just gave them a rough chop, and I'm going to use half in each batch. Next step is to bring 12 ounces of honey to a simmer on low to medium heat. I used pasteurized honey, as raw honey has a tendency to crystallize, making it difficult to keep in a squeezable form. Next, add your fresh peppers and your dried chilies. I used 4 habaneros in this batch, as well as half the dried chilies. Stir those to incorporate and allow those to simmer in the honey for a good 5 minutes. Check on it frequently and stir it. Make sure you avoid overboiling or burning the honey. After simmering for 5 minutes, remove from the heat source and allow it to cool for a few minutes. And then to strain the honey, pour it through a fine mesh sieve into a glass container. Allow this to cool to room temperature, and then it can be stored in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator for up to 4 weeks. To make the second batch, I repeated the exact same steps but used 4 jalapenos instead of habaneros. The habanero honey definitely turned out spicy, but not so much you couldn't taste the actual pepper. The jalapeno hot honey had very mild heat at best, but the jalapeno flavor really infused into that sweet honey. Try this on pizza, wings, biscuits, or fried chicken. You can add it to stir fry or even make a hot honey glazed grilled salmon. It's totally versatile, spicy, and delicious. Leave us a note in the comments on how you use the hot honey, and we'll see you here next time on The Idea Plate.